Bulaon, not James Samandal, not James Dobron, not Laborde, but a new name. Pero makailang hapon na sa pangalan ng dito sa new name. What is that name? May makatanda ba? Wala pa. Siguro mali lang kung that name is Victor. Victor. Victorious. Ako him that overcometh. Well, I make a pillar in the temple of my God. My father is Nicodemus. Actually, the name Victorious and Nicodemus is the same. The conqueror, the victor. Okay? Not only Pastor Victor Navarro is a victor sa dini sa kalibutan, but all of us will be victorious if our name will be written in the book of life. So I hope na being a Christian, not only by name sa literal na name, but this is about the characteristic of Jesus Christ. And let us remember always, when Mrs. White said, higher than the highest human force is God's ideal for His children. God likeness, Christ likeness is the goal to be reached. So I hope that this characteristic of Christ will be totally reproduced to each one of us as we continue serving Him and while waiting His soon return. This is my prayer, and God bless you all.